Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video tutorial on hoop earrings just like this one right over here. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to close them quickly and easily with a step-by-step tutorial. Let's get right into this video tutorial. Now, first and foremost, whenever you're handling hoop earrings, you need to be very careful with them, and I'll tell you why. In a video that I just filmed with the other earring, the equivalent of this one, but the other one, I just broke the hinge on the earring, okay? And I gotta go home tonight and I gotta show my wife that unfortunately I just broke her earring. Now, I will get it fixed. My uncle's a jeweler and he owns a jewelry store, so I will get it fixed, but you gotta be careful. I'm a pro at doing everything, basically. As you've seen in my videos, I literally have done everything, and I'm really good at doing things. However, accidents still happen. Happens. It's very simple. You can fill in the blank with whatever word you want there, okay? So you got to be careful. Now, closing a hoop earring is fairly simple. As you can see right here, it is open. Now, there is a little hinge on this side over here. So you can see, I know it's kind of blurry, I do apologize. There's a little hinge on this side over here, and that hinge is what allows the portion that closes to go back and forth. Now, what you're gonna do is you are going to get this piece right here that has a little kink on it at the end there, and you're gonna bend it ever so slightly. Don't make the same mistake I did and sort of manhandle it and make it, be too rough with it. Bend it ever so slightly and line it up into that little hole that you see over there. So you see that little hole right there? That piece goes in that hole. That's how to close the hoop earring. Now, I'm gonna try and do this really, really carefully. I don't wanna make the same mistake as last time. Part of the reason, I'm not trying to pass off the blame on anything else. There's no one here but me. But part of the reason that it happened is because I wasn't focusing. I was trying to show the camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this and you're going to see what you're going to see. You probably won't get the best view, but I'd rather, give you a 90% view than me break the earring. So essentially, yes, I have horrible vision, so I got to go like this to see. Essentially, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to apply the slightest bend to that little part and send it in the hole. And then we are going to be able to close it. Okay, just the slightest bend. There we go. It's in the hole, and now we closed it like that. I know you didn't see it. I'm going to try it again. I hope I don't break this one. I mean, I guess if I'm already going to get that one fixed, it doesn't really make too much of a difference anyways. But I'm going to remove it. Okay, it's open now. As you can see, it's open. I'm going to try it again a little bit higher up over here. I'm going to apply the slightest bend to the opening over here, to the opener, and we're going to just try and get it, line it up in the hole. Like that. There you go. I was so nervous I didn't want to break this earring. So right now the hoop earring is closed and we didn't break this one. Thank goodness. Okay. That's it. That's how to close it. Now, I know there are bigger hoop earrings and stuff like that. It's the same process. It's going to be a bigger earring. Most hoop earrings are very, very similar. That's it. With regards to hoop earrings, that is how to close them quickly and easily. Like I said, be careful because this is a super small hinge, so it's super easy to break. I'm not trying to sounds like I'm just trying to pass off the blame. But you know what? I understand why I broke it out. I wasn't focusing. It's a super small hinge. The earrings are older. They've been around for a long time. So, but I'm going to get it fixed, the other earring. So honestly, anyways, with that aside, that's how to close them. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And obviously, if you have a little bit of empathy for my hand, I was doing some yard work and I got a big blister that just cut open now and it's just brutal. It absolutely hurts, but you know what? And I had the stomach flu yesterday and I'm still filming the content today. So if you like the video and the fact that I get content done no matter what, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.